Greetings and salutations, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So just real quickly, I wanted to talk to you guys about this phone right here, the Pixel 6. Currently shooting with the Pixel 7 and been doing coverage on the Pixel 7. And I kind of wanted to make a video about the Pixel 6 because it is an awesome phone. It still is. And, in a nutshell, someone wants to ask me like, hey, like I don't want to spend $600 on the Pixel 7. Would it be worth it to get the Pixel 6? And yeah, absolutely. Absolutely worth getting the Pixel 6. It is an amazing phone by a lot. I say that quite a bit when it comes to Pixel phones. I just love the experience that you get with a Google Pixel phone. And I mean, there's all kinds of things like benchmarks and stuff like that. And hey, you know what? Like people can trust in those numbers and use those numbers and rely on them to determine to them what a good phone is and what won't be a good phone. Um, I would say user experience always trumps anything that you can find on paper. Um, you can have on paper spec wise be like the most amazing phone ever, and it yield the most like atrocious experience that you would ever have. And so that's why I don't really do benchmarks on this channel. I don't talk about them. I don't run them or anything like that. I'm always about the experience, like how the experience has been for me. And it allows me to share that experience with you guys, so you guys will decide, if the phone is for you, if it's not for you, based on the experience and the things that I share about it. That's the whole point. So the 6 is still awesome. It just got an update today, which kind of surprised me. There's a QPR update that came through, quarterly performance update. And so yeah, it updated it, to it. And I don't see like any like absolute major changes. Um, but I mean, it's a lot smoother. I will say that it's about as smooth as my Pixel 7 now. So I wonder what that update actually was for. Because both phones are on, they're on 60 hertz refresh, so they're not on the smooth display 90 hertz refresh or anything like that. And these are the base model. I'll call them the base models because they're not the Pro series, so they don't have the 120 hertz refresh. But yeah, I'm noticing that even with the Google feed, scrolling has just gotten much better. I wonder what that QPR update was for, but it's really good. Anyways, I find myself using it alongside the Pixel 7. I don't feel like that it's a massive hindrance. The cameras can use some work, obviously, and that's not saying that the cameras are horrible, but you know, comparing it to the 7, the 7 is going to shoot better photos, and by right it should. No way in hell should the 7's camera performance be less than the 6's camera performance. That would just be backwards. But yeah, just using it has been good. It's always been good for me, and I wish it could be that way for a lot of people. Those who have reported having like bug issues after bug issues and stuff like that. Kind of feel bad when I hear people have that. Not because that it puts like a dark stain on the Pixel's reputation, but just more in the fact that I have this really awesome experience with like the Pixel 6, with the Pixel 5a, the Pixel 5, Pixel 7. I have this great experience with these phones, and I just wish there was a way for me to transfer my experience to other people so they can actually like see and feel what I'm talking about when I do these little quick review updates and everything like that. Um, it is the last Pixel that I got that has like an exclusive color, coral. But I'm gonna skin both these phones. I found some pretty cool skins on Soapy Guard, and I'm gonna order them and have them come in. And it's pretty awesome because it's two. We're getting two for the price of what I would have paid for D brand skins, but I'm paying Soapy Guard. I would have gotten only one skin. With Soapy Guard, I'm able to get two, one for the Pixel 6, one for the Pixel 7. And I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, so just talking about the Pixel 6 in general, not doing specs or anything like that. It's currently running my Boost Mobile SIM. Boost Mobile caught on that I was getting a free service for a long time now. I should have been converted over to ACP, so they sent me on a message, basically, literally just asking me like if I wanted to, update for the ACP program or just switch it to the normal plan. I didn't choose anything, and I'm gonna see exactly when that change happens. I think it's gonna be November. It does, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions about the Pixel 6, drop them in this video so I can do a updated review on the Pixel 6 and answer your questions. But until then, I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.